Hey guys, how you doing? It's Gary back with another video. I'm going to be installing the head today. I already put on the gasket. I used the gasket. I used the copper spray. Um, so that's all done. The head is on. Now I'm going to be installing the ARP head studs. That's the part number right here. Focus. There we go. So yeah, I'm gonna be installing these today. Little T-handled Allen key. So that way, when you put the studs in, they have a little Allen key part right here. And you can see, stud goes right in it. So that way you can put them hand tight when you tighten them down. Because the studs only go into the block hand tight, and then you use the other part is what basically gets torqued down onto this part right here. So for now, my lovely wife is going to be reading me the instructions so that way I don't fuck it up. Because I have a habit of doing stupid little things and not reading the instructions fully, and I might fuck something up. But this is not something that I want to mess up, so I'll be back after she catches me up on what I need to get this taken care with. All right. Okay, so she just read me the first part, which is basically just take the part that goes into the water jacket section, or where they go in, just to ARP thread lube
Sealer.
Just put some here and just start putting them in. So I got a little brush, I got the lube. I'm gonna lube up all these, and then I'm gonna drop them in and I'll be right back. All right, got one more left. I'll show you how I'm doing this. I'll take the ARP assembly lube, put a little bit right onto the threads, like so, and then I'm gonna take the brush and just brush it through the threads, like so. And that's how I'm brushing it through the threads. And I'm gonna drop them in, drop it in the hole, and this is the last one. This is number 10. I didn't do a video of all of them because it is tedious and a little bit of a pain in the butt. But that's that one. I'll be back in a second. Okay, now that I got the studs all lubricated and put in, these just have to go down hand tight. So as soon as they stop, they stop. You don't have to go crazy and like torque them down or anything. See, that's it. It's down, it stopped, it says hand tight, that's it. It's done. And so it's 1, 2. And then 3 is right next to 1. It's right here. Oh, I got it backwards. I'm about to destroy my head. Oh, okay, I can leave it this way. I'm more comfortable. I'll just spin this around. Alright, so that was 1. This is 2. And then this one here would be 3. Almost torqued it down wrong. Well, these are just the studs getting put in, so they're not holding the head to the block. I just need to get these sent down so that way I can get the rest of it put together. Get these all the way down. And I'll be back when I get ready to install these, because I gotta put some lube inside of them and get them set down. So I'll be back after I get all these set down. All right. The bolts that go on are 12 point. They're M10 12 point. Make sure you get a deep drive one, so that way you can reach down into the cylinder head and you know, into the ports and or into the holes and get them put down. ARP says 3 stages of torquing up to 80 foot-pounds. So I'm gonna do 30, 50, and then 80. In order that they should go, starting from this one over here, which is cylinder 1, and then, or you know, the number 1, and then number 2 over here, and then 3 is this one right here, you know, so on and so forth. So I'm gonna get these all put down and set up and ready to go, and then I also have to lube the inside of these where the threads go, so I will be doing that also. So yeah, let me get to it, and I'll be back in a few minutes. All right, so what I'm doing is I'm taking some assembly lube and I'm putting a little dab like inside, like that inside. I don't know if you can see that. And then I'm taking my brush and spreading it around the threads in the inside. So there we go. Spread it around a little bit inside the threads in the inside. I already got one on, so now this is number 2. And I'm only putting them down till where they touch. Just until they see, that's it. It just stopped. So that's it. Because now I have to go around and do the torque sequence, which I'm actually going to use a more shallow 12 point. I only need this one, just, you know, for the longer, deeper holes. So yeah, I'm going to get these all set up. 1, 2, now 3 is this one right here. So I'm going to finish lubing all these up and getting them set inside, and then I'll be back with the torque sequence. Alright, so I am going to start the torque process now. I'm going to do 30, then I'm going to do 50, and then I'll do 80. Because according to ARP, it says doing 3 equal steps, which I'm going to do up to 80 foot-pounds. So I'm going to do 30. Then I'm going to do 50, and then I'm going to do 80. So right now, it's a brand new torque wrench. I got it set at 30 right here. I got it set at 30. So I know it looks backwards, which it is, because this is actually the front. So this one, the back one, is actually number 1. I should be standing on that side, but I'm not. So this is 1, and this is 2. This one over here is 3, This one's 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. This one over here is number 8. This one's number 9. And then, you know, your front last one is number 10 over here. So I am gonna run through this real quick. There's 30 on that one. I'm gonna run through 30 on all of them. I'll be back. Alright, I ran through 30 on all of them, which I'll show you now. This one's at 30. Oh, maybe not. It was. I don't know why. Why is it not at 30? I guess I'm gonna have to go through 30 again on all of them. 30? It's weird because they all just, see. Weird how some of them are hitting 30 on a little bit more of a pull. Alright, so they're all on 30 now. Double check it again just to make sure. 30. 30. 30. 30. That's 5. That's 6. That's 7. That's 8. That's 9. And that's 10. Alright, so they're all at 30. Now I'm going to do a 50. There we go. We're at 50 now. 50 foot-pounds right there. So now I'm gonna go around and get them all at 50. There you go. That was at 50. That's 1. That's 2, nice strong click. Now to number 3. Come on. 3. This is 4 right here. quick. 6. 7 up in the front. Number 8 in the back. And number 10. Now this is the second set of torquing. Double check all of them real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so these are all at 50. Now I'm gonna do 80, but I think I'm gonna use my bigger torque wrench. I don't think I need to, but I feel more comfortable using the larger one. For the 80. And I think I'm gonna use that one. Really don't think I need it because that small one goes up to 80. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna use that one. I'm just gonna use this one and call it good. All right, so right now you can see we were at right here at 50. So now I'm gonna change it to 80. All right, get this all turned out. That's Newton meters and oh, too far. And 80. We're at 80. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. It's marked 80. Yeah. So let's get to it. 80 foot-pounds. Here we go. It should be a good, satisfying click. Hopefully. Oof. Come on, fucker. it makes me so nervous. Oh, nice. It's 80. Whew. All right. I'll be back. All right. All right. Ooh, that was rough. So now I'm just gonna give you a quick little. That's 80. That's 80. Oh, that's 80. 80. 80. 80. Number 7 is at 80. Number 8. Number 9. And number 10. All right. Head is torqued down. So now it's just I gotta put the lifters. I gotta put in the lifters, dab some assembly lube on the top of them. Get the cams, timing chain, get all that stuff put in and set up, ready to go. But I'm kind of tired. This actually kicked my ass. So I will be finishing this up another day. Unfortunately, it's not going to be until next weekend because I work the night shift all week, so I won't be able to get into it and do all the stuff that needs to get done during the week. So another week of waiting to get this assembled, but the head is down, the head is on, all torqued up, ready to go. I'm just going to throw this cover back on it so no dust gets inside. And yeah, it's gonna be fairly nice when I'm done. And you know, again, I am doing this by myself. I have zero help from 0 people, you know. So again, I am doing this by myself, and I am taking my sweet ass time doing it. I'm not trying to rush and you know, misalign anything and stuff like that. You know, like when I did the crank and stuff, I actually used the little wax things to the little wax gauges when I did the bearings and stuff on the crank. I didn't film any of that stuff. It's just a shitty process. You know, but everything is getting done by me. Nobody else is really doing anything to this motor. except for whatever work the shop did, which again, I'm not impressed with the work he did, because again, you know, I had that one stud that one exhaust manifold stud that went right here that he never took out, that I paid him for, and he never polished up the ports for the intake manifold, or the intake runner side of the, so you know, he did the valves. I'll give him that. He did the valves. He, you know, they came out really nice, and that is what, you know, it is what it is with that. You know, that doesn't mean I'm not disappointed in some of the work. You know, but I don't have to worry about that, because the main thing that needed to get done was the valves, and that is done. So all the other stuff, I'm taking care of it myself. So with that being said, drive safe, drive fast, holla at your boy.